If you want to move data to memory card or from the memory card on the Realme 14T, then first of all we're gonna go to the app drawer and we can use, for example, the My Files app. You can also use the Files app by Google. In both cases it looks pretty similarly. So in the case of My Files, what you can do is you can select or find whatever you want to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna go to Photos over here. Let's go to a restore, for example, and over here I can just press and hold my finger on the file, choose to move at the bottom, and then we can select SD card because I'm transferring from the internal storage to the SD card. So over here I can choose where I want to move it. So let's say I'm gonna move it to download over here, and there we go. So this is how we can transfer files. And as you can see now it is gone from here. In order to find it I need to actually go to the SD card and I can find it over here. So if you want to transfer something from the SD card, then we need to go to the SD card first, locate the file that we wish to transfer, and then over here we can press and hold our finger in order to select it. Again, choose move, and this time we want to go to all files because this is the internal storage. And let's say I'm gonna move it to documents for some reason, why not? There we go. Now we can also use the Files app by Google, as I mentioned, and it works in a pretty similar way. So in this case, if I go to Images, then you should be able to, once again, press and hold, for example, and select multiple items. Tap on these three dots and to choose Move To, and over here we can choose to move to SD card or internal storage, depending on what is the original location. You can also find out if the file is stored on an SD card by looking at these over here icon. So if there is this icon, then it means that we have the file on the SD card. So in that case you want to transfer to internal storage, of course. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.